white sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, my bags are full. Soft and fluffy, warm and bright, perfect for a sweater on a cold, cold night.
Baa Baa singing sheep, dancing in the sun, playing in the meadow, having so much fun. Wool so colorful, red, blue, green, the cutest little sheep you've ever seen. Baa Baa helper sheep, working every day, making cozy blankets for kids who love to play. Sharing wool with friends in town, wearing little jackets, yellow, blue, and brown. Baa Baa helps sheep wake you so